Hello guys, welcome back to TradeMaker channel. In this video I'll be doing the analysis for major currency pairs. And so let's first start with the Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. I was really short on this point somewhere here, but it broke this level and it's rising up right now. I'm still short, so let's draw the retracement on this daily impulsive move. I believe that price might come somewhere here to retest this point of support and might go up. Let's see what happens next week. One important point I would like to show on this chart is the trend line. Just see this trend. This is a clear trend line. Rejection, rejection, rejection. We can consider this as a fake breakout. So now let's draw a trend line with these higher points. So I'm still short on this pair. I believe that it will come here, somewhere here, to touch this trend line, and then let's see what happens according to the market.